today we are taking a look at this magnetic wireless power bank that also has a selfie light, which is really cool. The brand did send this to me so I could walk you through this. So let's get this opened up and I'll show you exactly what comes in it right over here. So we open this up right over here. We're just gonna pop this out. We have instructions right over here, which is great. Really easy to walk you through. You can just see it walks you through basically everything you need, how to charge it, all that good stuff right over there. We're gonna get a cord over here up top. So this is how we're gonna charge the device itself. So let's open this up. This is what it looks like. So we have this right over here. So this is what's going to pop off right over here as your light. So this, we're going to want to remove this film right over here. And what we're going to do here is we're going to put this phone just like this. So it has that magnetic connect right over there. And then what we could do over here is we can turn this light on, and this is going to give us a little selfie light as well. So when we are making a video, if we want to do it this way, this will light up, which is really nice. It's always hard when you're just taking a selfie and you do not have light. It just makes it super difficult. So if you're looking for a great charger that also doubles as a selfie light, definitely check this one out, and a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.